Civil Service Exam Reviewer. Analogy. Let me know if you get a perfect 10 out of 10. Arid is to desert. Blank is to space. A. Night. B. Western. C. Vast. D. Star. The correct answer is letter C, vast.
Arid describes a desert, and vast describes space.
Blank is to real. Hostile is to friendly. A. Very. B. Lure. C. True. D. Imaginary. The correct answer is letter D, imaginary.
Imaginary is the opposite of real, and hostile is the opposite of friendly.
Sheet is to pad. Flower is to blank. A. Card. B. Gift. C. Petal. D. Bouquet. The correct answer is letter D, bouquet.
A sheet is a part of a pad of paper, and a flower is part of a bouquet.
Peak is to mountain, blank is to house. A. Maximize. B. Roof. C. Porch. D. Bungalow. The correct answer is letter B, roof.
The peak is the top of a mountain, and the roof is the top of a house. Drum is to instrument. Drill is to blank. A. Hammer. B. Oven. C. Tool. D. Crescendo. The correct answer is letter C, tool. A drum is a type of instrument, and drill is a type of tool. Blank is to cocoa. Omelet is to egg. A. Toast. B. Coffee. C. Brownies. D. Pizza. The correct answer is letter C, brownies. Brownies have cocoa as an ingredient, and an omelet has eggs as an ingredient. Precinct is to city. Chapter is to blank. A. Policeman. B. Sentence. C. Charge. D. Book. The correct answer is letter D, book. A precinct is a division of a city, and a chapter is a division of a book. Pilgrim is to journey. Recluse is to blank. A. Ocean. B. Home. C. Space. D. Thanksgiving. The correct answer is letter B, home. A pilgrim can be found on a journey, and a recluse can be found at home. Reconcile is to fight. Blank is to procrastinate. A. Hurry. B. Stall. C. Cover. D. Shun. The correct answer is letter A, hurry. Reconcile is an antonym of fight, and hurry is an antonym of procrastinate. Q is to blank. Query is to question. A. Quiz. B. Spy. C. Line. D. Surprise. The correct answer is letter C, line. A queue is another word for a line, and a query is another word for a question.
Did you get perfect?